This is the Merrill G-115 plunger assembly for the Merrill Anyflow hydrants. So we can go ahead and get it out of the bag here and get a couple measurements. But real quick, a couple things to notice about it is down here at the end you've got those female threads, and then coming up you have this rubber kind of piece in the middle right here. And of course down here at the end you've got the spring and that rubber gasket and the screw as well. And then that will unthread and thread right back in just in case. And to start, we'll get a total length. So from that end of that rubber gasket to the end of the plunger, so it measures right at about 3 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter down here at that black rubber gasket. And say that'll measure right at 3/4 of an inch. And we can also measure that white piece right there in the middle. I'll also measure just above 3/4 of an inch. And we'll get an inner and outer diameter down here at these female threads. Starting with an outer diameter, measure just above 1/2 inch, and then an inner diameter of just below 1/2 inch. And once again, this is the Merrill G-115 plunger assembly.